In this GAT Labs how-to, we'll be showing you how you can use GAT Flow to create email filters for any user of the domain. For example, you can set up an email filter that will star and label important emails for a user or mark the email as spam. You can use any of the filter options you would normally use in Gmail. Let's begin by going to the Create Workflow area of GAT Flow. Type in a name for your workflow and select Modify for its type. Click Next. In this area, you can select the users, groups, or OUs that will be affected by this workflow. I'll select a user and proceed to Actions. You will now see the workflow tree. You will have two options. If you have previously created an action set template, you can select the box on the right to import the actions. If you have not created an action set, please select the left box to add an action. Search for Create Email Filter and select the option. Now you can begin filling in the information for the filter. In this example, I will be creating a filter that will star and label any emails from user A to user B as important. Once you are finished making your filter, click Send Approval Request. This will send your request to your domain's GAT Unlock security officer. Once they have approved your request, the workflow will run and appear as approved in the workflow area. That covers this GAT Flow how-to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.